So far in the course, we've approached hypothesis testing using simulation. Some situations, it's possible for us to use a theoretical mathematical approach to answering the same questions that we've been answering this semester. To use a theory-based approach, we do have to meet some validity conditions. So, as this reads, when the sample of categorical data has at least 10 successes and 10 failures, then we're allowed to use a theoretical normal distribution to model our distribution of sample statistics. In that situation, instead of using a simulation, we're going to be able to draw that normal curve and know that that normal distribution is centered at pi, just like it was with the simulation. And this formula will give us the standard deviation of that distribution of sample statistics. This formula is the square root of pi times 1 minus pi over n. It's called the standard error. It's the standard deviation of the null distribution. It's the standard deviation of the distribution of sample statistics. It's called the standard error. So we can then, of course, use the p-value or the z-score to get our strength of evidence. We're only allowed to use this theory-based approach with categorical data when we have met those validity conditions. That is, that we have at least 10 successes and 10 failures in our sample. And when we do use this theory-based approach, you're going to find that the distribution we create and the answers the conclusions we draw at the end will be the same as when we use a simulation-based approach.